Okay, so I just got off the plane, right? And I am at Zippy's in Pearl City eating a zip pack. That was essential. That's something that I needed. My cousin, she brought the idea up. And I got the chicken, the fish, the spam, terry meat, rice, furikake, and soy sauce. I don't eat this shit here, so I just throw that out. Like that, everywhere. Nah, I don't need the tartar sauce, but how's everybody doing? I don't have it.
Well, you know, my favorite part of this whole thing is the fish. Look.
All right, you guys, we got breakfast. So I go to 7-Eleven all the time and get me coffee. I got me a new coffee because that other one just was not doing it for me. So I got a V8 Sparkling Energy. Love that. And Spam Musubi. Spam Musubi, but this one is the deluxe because it got the egg and the nori. Oh, I love this one with soy sauce and sriracha. Gotta have that. I usually mix it and then dip it together, but that's gonna make a mess and I don't got time for that. So this is what's for breakfast. Look who it is, you guys. The fucking the monster himself.
I don't know, I'm itching.